of oscillations per second. Heart pumps the blood to the different body organs.
Both statements aren't true, it is always true.
Hello Tswreis, how are you? First remember this, keep smiling on your face. And this is B.Sreeja Rani from Bellampally, Adilabad district. And my subject is physical science. First Tswreis, I want to pass some questions for you. For that, you must be answer me, okay? Tswreis, observe various articles around your surroundings, around your kitchen, around your classrooms, around your school, etc. And Tswreis, name some of the articles what you observe in your school. Yes, like computers, tables, chairs, books, etc. Tswreis, what did you observe in your house or in your kitchen? Yes, like televisions, radios. Observe this, Tswreis, mobiles and some type of pans and bottles, glasses, etc. Okay, friend? Okay, Tswreis, did you understand? And Tswreis, answer me, what is the most common material used to prepare all these articles? Did you know? Yes, Tswreis, that is plastics. What is that, Tswreis? Plastics. Plastics are occupied major role to lead our day-to-day life. Tswreis, it occupied totally our life. And plastics replaced many of the materials which we used in our previous days, which we used in our past days, like metals, iron and sand, clay, earth, etc. Because it can be molded into different shapes and different sizes. Due to this, it replaces many materials. Friends, observe all this. All these are made up of plastics, isn't it? Observe this. All these materials are made up of plastics only. Observe this, Tswreis. Did you understand? Tswreis, if we continue to list down the plastics, it will be endless. Did you understand? If we continue to list down the plastics, it will be endless. Tswreis, I think you catch my topic. I think you understand what I am going to teach. Yes, now my topic is plastics. What is that? Plastics. Did you understand, Tswreis? So what is plastics and how the plastics are prepared of? To understand that, first look at this, Tswreis. See this? Think this as a small unit, okay? What is this? This is a small unit. We are joining these type of small units together to form a large unit, isn't it? We are joining these type of small units to make a large unit. Friends, same as this pattern, polymers also made up of. Did you understand? Same as this pattern, polymers also made up of. Friends, now I want to show another example for you. Okay friends, observe this beads chain. Did you observe this? What is this? This is a beads chain. Observe this, Tswreis. This small bead is a one unit. We are joined these small units together to form a large chain-like structure, isn't it? Yes. Tswreis, same as this pattern, polymers also made up of. Same as this pattern, polymers also made up of, friends. Polymers are used to prepare the plastics. Polymers are used to prepare the plastics. And friends, in the polymers, this small units is known as monomers. What is this small units known as, friends? Yes, that is monomers. Monomers. And friends, These monomers are totally filled with chemical substance. This small unit is totally filled with chemical substance. Friends, what is the chemical used in this monomer, and what is the chemical used to prepare plastics? Yes friends, that is petroleum based chemicals. What is that? Petroleum based chemicals. And friends, by joining the monomers into a long chain-like structure, that is called as polymer. What is that friends? Polymer. So, it is polymer. Do you understand friends? It is polymer. So, in the plastics, there are two ways of arrangements in monomers. Plastics has two ways of arrangements in monomers. So friends, keep your glance on the screen. So observe that. One is, what is the first one? It is linear arrangements of monomers. Friends, did you observe? This is the linear arrangements. This is the linear arrangements of monomers. Friends, in this linear arrangements, look at this. Look at this friends. This is a small unit. We are joining these small units together to form a large chain-like structure. This is called as polymer. Friends, in the plastics, this is the one way of arrangement of monomers. Did you understand friends? So, let us learn the second way. So, look at the screen friends. So friends, this is the cross-linked arrangements of monomers. So the cross-linked arrangements pattern will be like this. Did you understand friends? In the cross-linked arrangements, the pattern will be like this. Friends, do you understand what are the types of plastics? What are the arrangements of plastics friends? There are two ways of arrangement. One is linear arrangements of monomers and another is cross-linked arrangements of monomers. Friends, remember this. This is very important and it carry out 2 marks in your examination. Did you understand friends? It carry out 2 marks in your examinations. Okay friends, let us do an activity now. Okay, so now I am taking some hot water here. So swallows, now I am taking some hot water here. Friends, oh this is very hot. Friends, so let us do an activity. Friends, now I am taking 2 types of bottles here. 2 plastic bottles and I am dipping these 2 plastics at a time into hot water. Okay friends, observe. What did you observe here? Yes, this plastic is deforming into the water, deforming into the hot water. But observe this friends, it doesn't deform. But these both are plastics. It can deform but it doesn't. So why this happens? Swallows, because plastics has 2 types. Plastics has 2 types. So what are the types of plastics? So friends, keep your glance on the screen. What are the types of plastics? So after the burning test, the bottle will become like this. So keep your glance on the screen friends. So friends, did you observe the bottle will melt into the flame and become like this? Because there are 2 types of plastics we have. One is thermoplastics and another is thermosetting plastics. What is first one? One is thermoplastics and another is thermosetting plastics. So friends, keep your glance on the screen. So there are 2 types of plastics. One is thermoplastics and another is thermosetting plastics. So let us learn that deeply. So look at the screen friends. This is thermoplastics. Plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent are known as thermoplastics. And thermoplastic is a polymer that turns into a liquid when heated and freezes to a very glassy state when cooled sufficiently. Did you understand, friends, what is thermoplastics? Yes, plastics which deformed easily on heating and can be bent. Those type of plastics are known as thermoplastics. And the plastics, when we heat them, it can become into a liquid state, and when we cool them, it become into a glassy state. So those are called as thermoplastics. Did you understand, friends? Those type of plastics are called as thermoplastics. Friends, I think maybe a doubt arise in your mind. Yes, that is why the thermoplastics are melting into the flame. Yes, friends, thermoplastics has linear arrangements of monomers. What is that, friends? Thermoplastics has linear arrangements of monomers. Linear arrangements. So, due to this, it will melt into the flame. We already discussed that the thermoplastic is not much strong. So, due to this, it can easily deform into the flame. So, friends, let us see some examples of thermoplastics now. So, keep your glance on the screen, friends. So, there are some household articles like this. So, friends, these are the some of examples of thermoplastics. And friends, let us learn some more examples. So, look at the screen, friends. Thermoplastics examples are toys, containers like baskets, tubs, buckets and bottles. Friends, these are the examples of thermoplastics. So, look at this, friends. These type of bottles are also made up of thermoplastics and some type of toys. So, child are very interested to play with toys, yes? So, toys are also made up of thermoplastics and tubs, baskets, buckets, etc. So, all these are made up of thermoplastics. Did you understand, friends? So, friends, answer me. Who invented the thermoplastics? Yes, he is Hermann Staudinger. Who is he? Hermann Staudinger. So, who is he? Hermann Staudinger. He invented the thermoplastics. Did you understand, friends? Hermann Staudinger is invented the thermoplastics. So, friends, let us learn about the thermosetting plastics. What is thermosetting plastics? So, let us see on the screen, friends. So, keep your glance on the screen. Plastics which molded ones cannot be softened by heating are called as thermosetting plastics. Did you understand, friends? Plastics which molded ones, that means which shaped ones, cannot be softened by heating. So, those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Friends, we already learned this. This plastic is thermosetting plastics because it doesn't deform into heating. So, friends, why the thermosetting plastics doesn't melt? Friends, because it has cross-linked arrangements of monomers. Because thermosetting plastics has cross-linked arrangements of monomers. Did you understand, friends? Due to this, it doesn't melt into the flame. Due to this, it doesn't melt into the flame. So, friends, did you understand about thermosetting plastics? I think you understand. That's good. Friends, let us see some examples of thermosetting plastics now. So, keep your glance on the screen. like mobiles, computers, switchboards, keyboards, utensil handles. So friends, like mobiles and computers, keyboards like this, keyboards, and some types of utensil handles. So friends, these all are made up of thermosetting plastics. Did you understand, friends? These are all made up of thermosetting plastics. So friends, let us see some more examples of thermosetting plastics now. So see the screen, friends, follow with me. Like some tables, torches and mobiles like this. So friends, these all are the examples of which? Yes, thermosetting plastics. Friends, in thermosetting plastics, we have two major examples. So let us learn what are the two major examples. So one is backlight. What is that, friends? Backlight. One is backlight. And what is the next type? It is melamine. So we discussed some examples like mobiles, computers, switchboards, keyboards, utensil handles, etc. So all these examples are involved in these two types. All these examples are involved in these two types. So friends, let us learn what are the examples of backlight. So keep your glance on the screen, friends. So look at this. Backlight is used for making utensil handles and for making electrical appliances. Did you understand, friends? Backlight is used for making utensil handles. So look at this utensil handle, friends. Friends, look at this. This is made up of backlight. What is this? This is made up of backlight and some electrical appliances like this. So these type of electrical appliances also made up of backlight and some switchboards like this. So these are all made up of backlight. That's good, friends. So let us learn what are the examples of melamine. So what are they? Let us see on the screen, friends. So observe this, friends. Melamine is used for computers and TV cabinets and also making kitchenware. Melamine, it is used for computers and TV cabinets. And also, it is used for making kitchenware. So, look at this, friends. Friends, look at this. What is this? Yes, this is a plate. It is made up of melamine. It is made up of melamine. Did you understand, friends? This is made up of melamine. And some examples like computers, TV cabinets, all these are made up of which, friends? Yes, all these are made up of melamine. And friends, so let us learn about a great personality. Who is he, friends? So let us see him on the screen. So friends, he is Dr. Leo Henrik Beckland. Who is he? He is Dr. Leo Henrik Beckland and he is the father of present plastic industry. Friends, why we are learning about him? Do you know? So let us see this. He was responsible for the invention of backlight. What is that? He was responsible. That means he invented the thermosetting plastic backlight. In the year of 1907, he was working as a chemist. By accidentally, he discovered the compound of carbolic acid. What he discovered? Compound of carbolic acid and formaldehyde. He discovered the compound of carbolic acid and formaldehyde. Friends, when he trying to reheat that compound of carbolic acid, he find that there is no matter. That means it doesn't melt into the flame. And later he named that as bakelite. What is that? Bakelite. So friends, let us see the formula of carbolic acid and formaldehyde. So keep your glance on the screen, friends. So observe this. This is the formula of formaldehyde. And friends, look at this. This is the structure of carbolic acid and this is a monomer of formaldehyde. By joining these type of monomers into a chain-like structure, it become a polymer. It become a 4-unit with large polymer. Did you understand, friends? So this is a formula of formaldehyde and carbolic acid. Friends, remember one thing. These types of plastics are very important and it carry out 5 marks in your examinations. So remember my words, friends. You must want to read this. You must want to drill out this. Okay. So friends, now I am going to give a project work for you. So let us see what is the project work. So let us see the chart. Friends, look at this chart. So here are some plastic materials. What are there? Here are some plastic materials and you want to test them. You want to do flame test and you write the observations here. And here you want to write which type of plastic is this. Here you want to write which type of plastic is this. So friends, I will give an hint for you, okay. So observe here. So observe here, friends. Now I will give a hint for you, okay. So friends, observe this. What I am going to do? Yes, I am going to do an burning test. I am going to do an burning test. So friends, we want to burn this toothbrush. So let us do that. Yes. So observe here, friends. Now I am lighting this candle. Yes. So friends, I am burning this toothbrush. See here, I am burning this toothbrush. Yes. What did you observe here? Observe this, friends. Observe this. Yes, it is melted into the flame, isn't it? Yes, it is melted into the flame. What we discussed already, the plastics which melt into the flame, those types of plastics are known as thermoplastics. So here we want to write melt and here we want to write which type of plastic is this? Thermoplastics. So here you want to write thermoplastics. So in this way, by following this way, friends, you want to fill all this box. All this box you want to fill by following this way. Did you understand, friends? By following this way, you want to fill all this box. Okay, friends. So let us see what are the advantages of plastics. Why we are preferring the plastics? Is there any advantages? So look at the screen. So why do we prefer the plastic, friends? Yes, plastic materials will not corrode easily. That's why they are used to store various kinds of materials including chemicals. And plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. And friends, so what we learned, why we are preferring the plastics? Because plastics doesn't expose it to the atmosphere. That means it doesn't expose it to the air and water and sunlight. So friends, it doesn't corrode easily. So due to that, we can able to store many foodstuffs and some food materials including chemicals also in the plastics. Did you understand, friends? So let us see one thing. And plastics are cheaper than metal. So look at the screen, friends. Plastics are cheaper than metals. So we are preferring plastics more. And observe this, friends. Electric wire have plastic covering, isn't it? Electric wires have plastic covering. You might have seen pans and pressure cooker handles and screwdrivers. Why are they made up of plastic, friends? So observe this, friends. Here is a pan. Yes, it is made up of, the handle of pan made up of plastics and some. So observe this, friends. Electric wire covering with plastics. These wires are covering with plastics. Why, friends? Why it was going on? So friends, look at the screen. Because plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Because plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Friends, that means they are insulators. So they cannot attract fire easily. So we are preferring plastics more and more. So friends, these are all the advantages of plastics. Do you understand, friends? These are all the advantages of the plastics. Friends, plastics has many advantages, but at the same time it has many more disadvantages. So we want to learn disadvantages also. Yes, friends? So let us learn what are the disadvantages of plastics. Friends, before that, answer me. Is plastics biodegradable or non-biodegradable? What, friends? It is biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Friends, what is biodegradable and what is non-biodegradable? So friends, let us learn with the help of screen. What is biodegradable? A material which is easily decomposed by natural process is called biodegradable materials. A material which is easily decomposed by natural process. So it is called as biodegradable. Friends, that means which material can easily decompose by the biological process. Friends, did you understand? Are you following me? Yes, the material which can easily decompose by the biological process. So they are called as biodegradable materials. Friends, can you give some examples of biodegradable materials? Yes, peels of fruits and vegetables and papers, cotton cloths, that means natural fabrics. All these are the examples of biodegradable materials because of they can easily decompose by natural process, friends. So friends, they are all called as biodegradable materials. What are they? Biodegradable materials. So friends, let us learn what is non-biodegradable. So keep your glance on the screen. Friends, non-biodegradable materials which is not decomposed by natural process. So those are called as non-biodegradable materials. So those materials are called as non-biodegradable materials. Did you understand, friends? So friends, can you give some examples of non-biodegradable materials? Yeah, like plastics. Plastics are non-biodegradable materials because they